Norwegian modders. In this video we are going to build the Leopard A2A from Revell in 1072. So we are starting with glue the fenders on the hull with plastic magic. Now I cutting with side cutters wheels. Another part of wheels. Now I cleaning the excess plastic with sharp knife, and of course using nail files or sandpaper. Again using sandpapers on the wheels. Still cleaning all wheels. Now I glue these little wheels on the side fenders and of course road wheels. Oh, I mean steering wheel, and gluing with Mr. Cemendes. Back of the tank. All wheels together. Looks, and here you can see some ugly pinholes on the bottom side of the tracks, so must be filled with the Tamiya pattern. Now I painting all wheels with German grey color. Of course the little ones. Now I'm painting again wheels, but with silver grey color, and now I sanding the excess party with sandpaper. Now I glue the fenders on the hull. And gluing with thick glue Revell contactor. Now I'm mixing a wash from black oil paint to make details more pronounced on the track. And of course wash on the whole body of the tank, which was make details more pronounced on the wheels and on the whole tank. Now I cutting the turret, cleaning excess with sharp knife, and this is how it looks. So now I'm gluing the rotation for the turret and the back section of the turret, and the periscope. And here you can see gun barrel from one piece, blue oil paint use on the windows, and now I'm mixing black color to tracks, because modern vehicles are mostly from steel and I think rubber, like these parts here. Now I cleaning the excess plastic on the gun barrel, and of course cleaning the mold lines on the gun barrel. Now I try to make this part a little bit modified, because I drilling hole to the gun barrel, gluing the hatch with Revell contactor, and now I'm making some little modifications like drilling holes for the handles. MG40, I think. I glue the wires with the super glue. And now the hull, or the main hull. Now I glue the lights, I think, on the front of the tank. This is how it looks. And again, some modifications on the smoke launchers, because in this kit there are no holes, so I must modify it, and cleaning the excess plastic with thin glue. I must use again putty on the back, and now I cleaning it. Okay, let's go to the tracks. This is all tracks, like a single piece with a need. Okay, so I must clean each track link with sharp knife, but be careful because this tool is extremely sharp and you can cut yourself badly, as I do. Assembling tracks. And of course I gluing tracks with super glue because I already painted. Finally, the upper hull. And I must fill this gap with Tamiya white putty. And this is how it looks, assembled tank. And what about some magic for these models? Voila! Before I start painting, I clean the whole tank with a soapy water or alcohol. Now I'm mixing enamel color and green and thin with enamel thinner. I start on the turret with painting. Now the back section or back grille. Side fenders. And the tank is almost painted. And now I start with the black camouflage. You know, some black random snakes on the turret, like here. And the light one color, which was like a gray on the turret, and of course on the whole tank. So the tank is almost painted. But still what is missing is weathering. I'm still making weathering just a little, but I start in the next few videos more weathered tanks. Now I glue the tone cables on the back section, and glue it with extra thin glue and paint with steel color. Okay, now I cover the whole model with a gloss varnish, like turret and now the main hull. Again, making the wash from oil paint and enamel thinner. On some rivets and panel lines, I could say, because modern tanks has that shape, I think. And now I make the lighter wash, like a light dust, and apply it on the whole model, because the black one is not very pronounced on the black and light grey camouflage and green. Now I'm cleaning excess wash with cotton swab. This is how it looks. Now applying the decals with toothpick and correct the position. Same on the other side. And after that I again seal the result with a satin varnish. Okay guys, and that is all. Thank you for watching and see you next time. And this is the presentation of the finished model.